Now, BrightSign players include a free BSN.Cloud Control Cloud subscription that allows users to control a single device or a network of players in real time from anywhere. Additionally, you can enroll in a free 30-day trial of the Content Cloud. Content Cloud subscribers can host, schedule, and publish presentations remotely through a desktop app or web browser. After the trial, you can subscribe to the Content Cloud for $99 per player per year, or simply allow the trial to expire and convert back to the free Control Cloud subscription. Meaning, you'll still be able to control your players remotely, but you'll lose access to the BSN.Cloud hosting and publishing tools, along with any content and presentations you save to the cloud during the trial. To access both the Control and Content Clouds within BSN.Cloud, we've created BrightAuthor Connected. With BrightAuthor Connected, you can set up and manage BrightSign players, and you can create, schedule, and publish presentations from one integrated user interface. The app's available both on PC and Mac, and Content Cloud subscribers can access BrightAuthor Connected through the Chrome web browser. To begin, power your players and connect them to the internet over Ethernet and to displays over HDMI. Each player must have a blank exFAT or FAT32 formatted microSD card installed, and it's recommended you use a qualified microSD card sold by BrightSign. After the player boots, if you don't see the activation screen and instead see the white device setup screen, the player's operating system may be out of date and will need to be updated to the current BrightSign OS. To update a player, visit brightsign.biz and navigate to the Downloads page. Select the correct model number and click on the BrightSign OS link. Save this file to a blank exFAT or FAT32 formatted card. Then, eject the SD card and insert it into the player. Reset the player and wait for it to install the latest OS. With the player updated, the screen will display the purple device activation page. From a computer and web browser, visit bsn.cloud/activate. If you already have BrightAuthor Connected installed, the browser will automatically attempt to launch BrightAuthor Connected. If this is your first time, click Download and proceed to install the desktop client for your Mac or PC. Now, launch BrightAuthor Connected and press the orange Connect button. If you haven't set up a bsn.cloud account, select New User and follow the on-screen instructions. Wait until you receive a verification email from BrightSign and then validate your account. The validation page will attempt to launch the desktop client of BrightAuthor Connected again. With BrightAuthor Connected open, log in with your new bsn.cloud credentials. Next, give your bsn.cloud network a name, agree to the terms and services, and click Create. To enable the Content Cloud 30-day free trial, go to the Admin tab and click on the Content Cloud Trial button. Control Cloud only customers can skip this step. As a reminder, the Control Cloud is a free subscription included with every player that allows you to control your player network from anywhere. The paid Content Cloud subscription includes all of the Control Cloud features, plus new content and management tools. To add players to your network, press the device activation button from the dashboard and enter the code that's displayed on the purple activation screen. If you're an unpaid Control Cloud subscriber, the player is set up by default to publish over a local area network. If you're a paid Content Cloud subscriber, the player is set up by default to publish over bsn.cloud. You can watch the setup and publishing tutorials for details. The player will reboot several times, and when the player is ready, a welcome page will appear on the screen. You can verify that a player is online by clicking on the green bar at the top of the BrightAuthor Connected dashboard and checking on the status of a player. Your player is now connected to bsn.cloud and ready to receive content from BrightAuthor Connected. Watch the tutorials on building, scheduling, and publishing presentations for step-by-step instructions. Also, if you're trying out the Content Cloud, you can access BrightAuthor Connected from the web UI. For the best experience, we recommend using Chrome as your browser. The URL of the web interface is bsn.cloud. Thanks for installing BrightAuthor Connected and joining bsn.cloud. The following tutorials build on one another and are composed of short, manageable modules, so feel free to follow along or skip to a specific feature.